Welcome tech enthusiasts. Today we're showcasing the top 5 digital oscilloscope multimeters of 2026 powerful tools for electronics, automotive diagnostics, and electrical repair. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, these top picks will boost your testing game. Let's dive in. Number 1. TOOLTOP ET2010A 2-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. This compact device features 1 MHz bandwidth and 2.5 MSP sampling rate, perfect for lab experiments. Its user-friendly interface makes waveform analysis and voltage measurement simple, all-in-one portable device, great for students and professionals alike. Next up, the FNIRSI DST series, a 3-inch-1 powerhouse with 19,999 counts. This portable oscilloscope multimeter is ideal for automotive diagnostics and fieldwork. With its precise measurements and durable build, you can test signals, currents, and voltages on the go, even in challenging environments. The OWON HDS2202S is a handheld dual-channel oscilloscope with 200 MHz bandwidth and 1 GS per second sampling rate, including a 1-channel waveform generator. This 3-in-1 device is perfect for both professionals and hobbyists who need accuracy and versatility in a portable tool. Coming in fourth, the GVDA digital oscilloscope offers a 5 ohms sampling rate and 12 MHz analog bandwidth. It includes a multimeter signal generator and waveform storage. This is excellent for analyzing complex signals and performing precise electrical measurements efficiently. Finally, the ZOYI 703s features a bright color screen and dual-channel display. This 3-in-1 auto-repair instrument combines oscilloscope multimeter and waveform analysis. It is ideal for automotive diagnostics and multifunction electrical testing, providing clear visuals for complex data. These were the top 5 digital oscilloscope multimeters of 2026. Which one fits your needs? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and gadgets every week.